Ever felt frustrated when source changes throw everything off? Meet the data owner who handles a legacy sales system that sends crucial data downstream. When the schema changes, it's chaos. Reports fail, decisions stall, and time slips away. Sound familiar? Enter the business user, urgently needing updated insights. Can data owner handle the pressure? With Project AutoLake, everything changes. Automatic updates and no more broken pipelines. Welcome peace of mind. No manual ETL, no headaches. When a new column, like marketing channel, arrives, it's auto-magically included. Imagine this. No ingestion team needed. The business user can easily access updates in minutes. But wait, there's more. The business user wants an AI assistant for those quick queries. Can data owner deliver? Yes, with a Fabric data agent, you can ask, show revenue by marketing channel, and get instant answers. Project AutoLake brings together automatic schema updates, live lakehouse functionality, and seamless integration with Azure AI. Transform legacy systems into intelligent data experiences. With Project AutoLake, it's all about faster insights and zero pipelines.
Hello everyone, welcome to the demo of Project AutoLake. So for the purpose of this demo, what we have done is we have taken our AdventureWorks database and set it up on SQL Server. Then we have taken the download of files and pushed into the landing zone. Once they are pushed into the landing zone, they are available in Fabric Mirror database. Now, once the data is available, what we have done is we have enabled a Fabric data agent that queries on the data of Fabric Mirror database to give you insights on the data. Next, we have integrated this Fabric data agent into Azure AI agent service. The reason was we wanted to show how we can integrate Fabric data agent into Azure AI agent service. And the intention was that there are multiple agents that are already integrated into one agent, which are providing insights to the user. So we are adding Fabric data agent as another avenue into that. Next, once this agent service is there, we are adding this agent to our app service, and then we're exposing this app service to the business user. So now let's say business user has a request today. Can you provide a column marketing channel? And they want to derive some insights. Now, as of today, when the data owner would add the column marketing channel, what would happen is they would need to ask the other teams to update the pipelines. Now, in this case, there are pipelines. So what would happen is I will walk you through a demo of adding marketing channel into a database table. Once it is added, we will upload the files. Schema changes will be reflected straight away. Then we will refresh the data agent, and then it's available for insights into the downstream systems. And then business user has data available very quickly, and plus they can derive various insights, and plus they can see the data. Now let's walk you through a demo. So if we go here in AdventureWorks database, this is where we have set up our database. And if you see, we have tables in OneLake. So these are the tables that we have: customer, product, SQL order, and header details. And these are the uploaded files. Now, for the mirror database, we have also an SQL analytics endpoint. Okay, now let's go ahead. Now let's say I want to update the column marketing channel, which I already said. So I'm going back to my table. So I've already the table there. So if you see the sales order header, we don't have this column as of now. So I will first add this column. So this column is added, and then we'll run a query to update this column. Okay, the column is updated. Now, if you see, our new column is available with values. Next, I will export this data and save as CSV. So I'm saving to this table, and I'm updating to this sales order header updated CSV. So I have the data in a new CSV with a new column. Now, I will go back to my Fabric experience. So here you have the functionalities upload files. So if you see, when this database was set up, we uploaded these 4 files: customer, products, and this one. Now, if you see below, all these tables were created and the rows were replicated. And if you see, the last completion time is there. Now I will add the updated table. Now it will ask you to create new table or update existing table. So when we were creating new table, we use this create new table option. But now, since we are updating an existing table, we will use update existing table option. It will ask you to select the table. So we select our sales order header table. We already selected primary key at the time of setting it up. So if you see, you can preview the data. So marketing channel is there now. If I go now, I can simply press an update. And within few seconds, it will detect that a file has been updated and the replication will start. So let's wait for a minute or two, and then we can see when the replication starts. So I'm just refreshing and seeing if it's reflected. So our timestamp has just now updated. If you see, last completed 11:27. So it looks like the table is updated. Let's wait for a minute. Then we can go over sales order header. So you can go to MySQL endpoint. So if you see, our column is, give me 1 second. Yeah, so our column is updated. So we have the marketing channel. This was the newly created column that we have added on the SQL Server database and took the download and uploaded it here. So just a file upload, there is no other pipeline, and the data was straight away reflected. So, okay, now we have this data, but this data is still not available in our sales agent. So let's go to our sales agent. So if you see, this column was not there, so therefore it is not there. Now let's refresh it. Marketing channel is reflected. Now, since it's reflected, we need to republish our agent. So we are republishing our agent. So the agent is republished. Now we will query by count of customers. This was an existing one. So if you see, it was able to found the order count based on the new channel. Okay, so we are getting what is the total sales by the marketing channel. So we are able to derive insights. We will do the same in the agent playground. So this is our agent, which is already connected to our Fabric. So if you say hello, how can I assist you today? So if you see, it is now querying Microsoft Fabric because it has been added as a knowledge source here. So we are showing in playground for the demo purpose. So see, it is able to find you the account of orders by marketing channel. So it works in playground. This is the portal. So for the hackathon purpose, we have kept it as anonymous. So let's say this is the home. We are telling you what to do, show data. So let's say you wanted to see data before and after. So business has a place where they can see the data before and after the change. Now, since we've already made the change, so if I go to our table sales order details, so it should download the show the data, sorry. If you see, it is able to show you the data. So our column was in the header one. So let's see where it is. Yeah, marketing channel is reflected here. So the business can see that the new data is reflected. Now let's go to our agent chat. So it's showing that it is a Fabric data assistant. It can help. So let's type some queries. So it's showing us the count of customers as 847. So it shows the revenue by marketing channel. So this is where we are connecting our data agent to AI agent and then connect to the front end app. That's all for the demo. Hope you've liked it. Thank you.